guys, welcome back to my channel once again, ITR Facts. So guys, today we are gonna learn about the continents and how continents and oceans formed. So let's get into the video. You have read earlier that the Earth's surface is covered by land and water. The large areas of land are known as continents. Look at the maps of the world given here. You will find that there are 7 continents. Look at the map of the world. These are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. India is a part of Asia. And now let's get into the landforms. The land on the Earth's surface has different shapes and forms. These are called landforms or natural features. We use special words to talk about these features. These are mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, and plains. Let us find more about the landforms. Mountains, hills, and valleys. Now let's get into. The highest areas on the earth are known as mountains. The top of a mountain is called its peak. High areas of land which are not as high as mountains are known as hills. A line or group of mountains is called a hill, or hills is called a range. The lowland between two hills or two mountains is known as valley. Now let's get into the plateaus and plains. Large areas of highland that are flat on the top are known as plateaus. Suppose I will show you. You can see here that on the shaded part of India is the Deccan Plateau. Okay. Large areas of highland that are flat on the top are known as plateaus. I already said. Okay. They are also known as tablelands. Plains are large stretches of almost flat land. They may have been formed from flowing lava or when hills and mountains were broken down by wind or rain. Plains are generally suitable for growing crops, so they are important for agriculture. The land near the sea or ocean is known as coast. Coastal plains are flat areas of land near the sea. These are generally sandy. Now let's get into the deserts. I'll shade a desert, and you can see Africa here, right? This part is all desert. It's the Sahara Desert. Okay, just a second. Okay, deserts are those areas of land which receive very little rain and where very few plants or trees grow. Most deserts are very hot and dry. For instance, the Thar Desert in the western part of India. The Thar Desert is in the western part of India. Some desert can also be cold. Those areas which are covered by snow throughout the year are cold desert. So nothing can grow there. Now let's get into the other one, that is the oceans. Look at the blue areas on the map here. These are large areas on the Earth's surface covered by water. They are known as oceans. The smaller area covered by water are known as seas. The water in the ocean and seas is very salty. The 5 oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Southern Ocean. Okay. And I have a task for you that find out the names of seas shown in the map on page 16 and write them here in the comment box here. There are mountains, valleys and plains, plateaus under the sea as well. The top of underwater mountains rise above the water and become islands. An island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. A group of islands that are close together is a sea, known as archipelago. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India are an example of an archipelago. A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on 3 sides. However, unlike an island, a peninsula is joined to a larger piece of land on one side. The southern part of India is a peninsula. You can see the map there. That's why India is called a peninsular country. Did you know that many years ago there was only one large piece of land known as Pangaea? This broke into smaller pieces which formed the 7 continents. And now let's recap about what we have learned today. The large areas of land on Earth's surface are known as continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica are the 7 continents. The different shapes and forms of land on Earth are known as landforms. For instance, mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, plains and deserts. The large area on Earth's surface covered by water are known as oceans. Smaller areas covered by water are known as seas. The 5 oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.